In this video, I will show you how to blur the background of your personal images. I will show this to you in the easiest possible way, in just 2 steps. So without any delay, let's get started. Import your image in Photoshop. If you want to download this image and carry along, please go ahead and check the link in the description. Now the first thing I want to do is to unlock this layer by clicking this icon inside the layers panel. Now make sure this layer is selected. Select any of these selection tools. For example, I will select this quick selection tool. Now you can see an option here, select subject. Alternatively, you can go to this select dropdown and click subject. Select subject. Easy enough. Click this option. It will take a while and Photoshop will make a selection around our subject. Now come back to the layers panel. Make sure this layer is selected. Press Ctrl J or Command J for Mac users. Now you will notice that a new layer is generated. Click on the lower layer and I want to apply blur to this layer. But before we do that, I would like to go to the filter and click on Convert for Smart Filter. It has converted our layer into a smart object. That means we can change the amount of blur that we apply to this layer even later. So again, make sure this layer is selected. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. A pop-up will appear just like this. I suggest moving this slider to the very left at first. Make sure this preview option is checked. Now start moving this slider from the left to right. And look at the results live on canvas. You can just go crazy and you can apply the blur like this, but it will not look realistic. I suggest finding a sweet spot. Or you can do as you desire. I think this is enough. Hit OK. And if you recall, I said that we are gonna apply blur non-destructively. That means we can even change this blur after applying it. How? Let's go back to this layer panel and double click this Gaussian blur. The window will appear again and you can change the blur as you like. That's it. This is the process. Let's apply the blur on another image. Let me just find another image on my PC. This one will do. Same, unlock the layer. This time I will go through this route, select subject. This selection tool is active. Select subject. With this layer selected, I will press Ctrl J or Command J for Mac users. With this lower layer selected, I will convert it into a smart layer by going to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters. OK. Now with this lower layer selected, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I think this will do. Hit OK. And as I demonstrated earlier, we can always go back and change the amount of blur as we desire. Either increase it or decrease it. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If so, go ahead and press that thumbs up button below this video. And for it's free, go and press that red subscribe button below this video and hit that bell. This will help us both. Me, it will give me motivation to create new videos. And for you, it will help you learn new skills by watching those videos. See you in another video of mine. Until then, practice, take care, and goodbye.